Effective ways of using windfall gains. Now, there are many ways that you can use your bonuses and increments. One could be to pay off high interest loans. So, for example, credit card loans typically charge you between 35 to 45% per annum. Or you could look at clearing off personal loans, which can charge you anywhere from 10 to 20%. And paying off these loans early means that you are saving a lot on the interest cost. Now, you can also use the bonuses to create an emergency fund. Remember, an emergency fund is always useful at the time of a contingency when you need to access money. So, it's always good to have 6 months of your expenses in an emergency fund. You could also use your bonuses and increments to save towards the down payment of a house. Typically, we recommend making a 40% down payment. And you could also use your bonuses and increments to see how you can further your financial goals by investing for these particular goals. Finally, invest in yourself. You could use the bonus to develop a job skill, maybe upskill, or you could just have it to have some fun, like plan for a vacation.